I ain't going to put back here.
You don't see children here or youth, maybe because they were still sleeping due to the rain.
Right.
But
there is a process of teaching the children here.
But your question is a very valid one. It's unfortunate that our children aren't here because it is important.
I also want to share something about that. 2 years ago, there was a meeting in Trujillo, Honduras. The first thing we looked for was to have youth and children most of the attendees were children. One thing that made me pause to remember is 2 weeks ago I heard one of those children say, we who attended that meeting then, it helped us a lot. Now I do believe in the Garifuna world, in Garifuna ways. That's what the Lord said. I was very happy when I heard that girl say that. That's why I want to ask a question to you who have children, to you who have a lot of children. What are you doing about your children so they will always speak that? I'm not just referring to speaking the language. I'm talking about the Garifuna ways so they become part of their life, the daily life. Let's let them speak to come to God.
Because they'll be the one to carry out.
Because He's the one to lead them.
Dr. Gill.
Dr.
Lucia Gill.
Wiki Rambowe.
With the Ramboy.
By the way, Lucia Gill is a Garifuna from Urume, and he attends the Garifuna class every Saturday.
Garifuna. I speak a little bit. I want to thank Sereme, Jack, Frida, Manuel, Mariano, and Arifrahati. Samusu.
Sasam.
I bring you greetings from your room.
Serene mau itu saya juga boleh. Baru tina ukan Urume. Baru tina usul gua Urume.
Sereme luar, Sereme Urume, luar Urume, Urume.
Sereme luar Urume.
Dia Garifuna, Pagatina, español. En español, muchas gracias para todo el mundo. One day, white label, I would like to speak Musentina, speak Garifuna, Wheaty. My question is that in Urume, we don't speak the language.
Naletaha lau yurume questo marengo molti wenyewe.
Es terrible. Muy mal. What I'd like to know is how we can, right now we're going through a spiritual renaissance in the Garifuna diaspora.
Reti quelle wafanya le dava iseri gola na fieni ada garina.
Last July, a group of Garifunas went to Urume for the first time.
Tuguro boleda sete hati nyeto tiofio garina yurume influmia wayaso.
And they were hosted by the Prime Minister.
Ani chilutio darati urume pena kaba.
And Chatouye is now recognized as the first national hero of Urume.
Ikiali aba tayo ya subu diruati ke frumiati de da sun Urume.
My question is how can we create a spiritual renaissance in Urume? How can we teach our people in Urume the spiritual aspects of the Garifuna history and their culture?
Ida loga kwele wandega loga ala la kuma ironwa afia na bone la rani Garifuna ko leda Urume le abiga dilani na echuni lumainye. Thank you.
Leda nihin kate ni donhen yo malate banchu ko sagade banchu ne lugondo do rohala memege abaya la boju.
You can cut the grass, but it grows again.
Malate lobaite boga hagidaruni nasio wareru wa we Urume loma haramu duni wa nasio wadagi.
It was not effective for them to cut away our language in Urume and take away our culture.
Lugondo amu wanaga wagara mo Urume wadare hafa chuba wagabari kukuwege bwanare nyi.
Because if we bring our drums to Urume, our ancestor will start flourishing through you again. So we have nothing to teach you because it's between you. It's embedded. To play our drums, our ancestors show up.